Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. This video is all about quickly planting garlic. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, but it's going to be everything you need to know to plant garlic. So, rule number one, this is a garlic bulb. This is the roots. You break the bulb up and you break it into your cloves. And then right at the bottom here is where the roots come out. You want to plant it roots down. If you're not sure, just plant it on the side. Prep of the soil. You want it to be nice and loose, down to about 6 inches. This is my compost. What I recommend is a lot of compost, a couple of inches. If you don't have it, it's fine. You would just loosen up your soil, weed it out, and then any organic granular fertilizer around a 555 NP and K, up or down a few numbers, is perfectly fine. 1 handful, 2 handfuls, 3 handfuls in a space this size. You can't really give this space too much fertilizer. I mean, you could, but you'd have to work really hard at it. So you're going to put down the organic granular fertilizer. You could do the fertilizer and compost. And then, because we're growing a bulb, bulbs enjoy phosphorus, we're going to add some bone meal. Bone meal has a phosphorus of 25. It's really high up there. And that's what you want to have this space really set up to grow garlic and other bulbing type vegetable crops. Nice big handfuls. Now again, you could just use compost if that's all you have. I do recommend adding in the bone meal. The organic granular fertilizer is perfectly fine to mix in with the compost or instead of the compost. Now I don't want that to be confusing. What I want to say is, don't make it a barrier that you think you have to do all this fancy stuff. Bottom line is that the soil is probably pretty good if you've been taking care of it over the summer, that you don't even have to amend anything. But if you've got it, let's amend it up. You want to really mix everything through. This is probably the most important part. Really loosen up the soil and get it set up. So this is well mixed. You're going to take the biggest cloves and you're just going to space them out about 4 inches or so. You're going to go 4 inches deep, so just 4 inches spacing, 4 inches deep. Let me set this up. I'll show you the next step. When you break up one of the bulbs, there's going to be different size cloves. I like to take the bigger cloves, something like this size, put them in the ground, the ones that right up here. You're also going to find some that are soft, kind of browning, mushy. Don't use those. You can just get rid of them. The smaller ones might work. They're going to basically root out, germinate, so to speak. But you could just put these in a big hole. I just make a hole like this, drop the little ones in, let them grow, and I just cut them for the garlic greens. But you want the bigger cloves like that. So when do you put it in the ground? The whole key for garlic is you're really growing this in a place where you get a winter, you get freezing nights. You want to get this in around first frost, a little bit earlier, a couple weeks after is fine, as long as you can work the soil. What you're doing is you're just pushing these down, really 2 to 4 inches. But again, you could just use 4 inch, 4 inch, 4 inch. As long as the ground is loose, everything will turn out fine. Where you might be in colder zones, I'm in Maryland zone 7, you might want to go to the 4 inches. Here in Maryland, I can push these in 2 to 3 inches. But you don't have to over stress about that. And the whole reason that you're getting these in around frost time is because you don't want these to get growing, get big green growth, and start trying to form the garlic bulbs. You want these to sort of overwinter, set up the root systems, just get established, and in 4 or 5 months come spring, the greenery will take off, your garlic will get growing, and you're going to have wonderful garlic bulbs. Easy for me to say. And this is all you really have to do. So in this space we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 cloves of garlic. And I do recommend getting a soft neck variety and a hard neck variety and trying each of them in your zone around October, November, and just see which ones do best. In my zone, the hardnecks seem to do best. Once you have everything pushed down to that 2 to 4 inches, just cover it over. You don't even have to water it in. Just let the fall rains and winter rains take care of this. And now you're set up to have your garlic. Come spring, it's going to push through. You'll get the green growth. And when that green growth fades and browns, that's when you can go and harvest your garlic bulbs. Now, all of our zones are different. So if you get this in, stays kind of warm, you're going to see some green growth come up. Don't worry about it. Just let it be. This is to be harvested late spring, early summer. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this gives you some confidence to quickly and easily plant garlic. If you can, compost. If you can't find compost, throw in your organic granular, and if you have the extra money for your budget, some bone meal will go a long way in just helping you get better bulbs of garlic. Thanks for watching, and please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.